Hey everyone, I'm Ruthvik and welcome to Ruthvik, your go-to destination for learning digital marketing. I'm excited to kickstart this journey with a deep dive into Google Ads, where I'll be covering everything from the fundamental to advanced strategies. Whether you're business owners looking to run ads, a marketer aiming to improve your skills, or a student exploring digital marketing, this channel is for you. Through my videos, you can expect step-by-step tutorials, real-time campaign setups, optimization tips, and proven strategies. To help you get the most out of your ad budget, my goal is to make digital marketing simple, practical, and result-driven. With a mix of screen recording and face cam explanation, I will ensure you will understand not just how, but also why behind successful ad campaign. So if you're ready to master Google Ads, grow your business or upskill in digital marketing, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Stay tuned because we are just getting started. And let's start. So let's start with the introduction about what is digital marketing. So digital marketing refers to a promotion of a product or services using digital channels such as search engines, social media marketing, email, and websites. Example. So if imagine you are launching a new clothing brand. Instead of spending lakhs on TV ads or banners, you can use digital marketing to reach targeted customers through Facebook ads, through SEO and Google Ads. So let's go into the Google Ads module. So what is Google Ads? Google Ads is an online advertising platform by Google where businesses can display all ads on Google Search, YouTube, and partner websites. Why use Google Ads? Instant visibility on Google, you're getting targeted reach, like you can have the location, interest, and keywords based on your brand and performance. You'll be having a measurable performance with analytics, day-to-day real-time updates in this, and it's also cost effective because it's a pay-per-click model. So where do Google Ads appear? So Google Ad appears in the Google search page, which is Google search engine representing result page. Google Ads appear in YouTube ads, and while watching the videos, you'll be seeing the skip ads, or into the content, you'll be seeing YouTube ads. You'll be getting YouTube Google Ads in Google Display Network, such as websites and apps to Google Play services. You'll also see Google Shopping ads, the e-commerce tool is for a regular process. So what are the types of Google ads? Search ads. Text ads that appears on Google search result page are known as search ads. Display ads. Banner ads on Google partner websites. The ads we see on a website. So the display ads. So video ads. Video ads are done majorly on YouTube. There are five types: skippable, non-skippable, mastered, outstream, and bumper ads. Shopping ads. So shopping ads are the product-based ads. So it's usually for e-commerce business to grow their business of their products. Demand gen ads. AI-powered visuals ads on YouTube, Gmail, and Discover. Performance Max ads, AI-driven ads across all the Google channels. Like in the Performance Max, we are going to use search ads, display ads, video ads, and shopping ads, all of them at one time. So let's see the objectives of the Google Ads. So the objective of the Google Ads are app downloads. Like we are encouraging people to download more apps. Leads. Another objective is leads. In this, we ask people to fill a form to know the inquiry. We use it for EDU platforms or any inquiries of wedding events or anything. Sales. Drive online, phone or in store purchases. For e-commerce, we use sales objectives. Brand awareness. Increase visibility among a broad audience. If there's a brand of yours which should be going to market popular, so we'll be using the brand awareness one. So another objective is website traffic. So if you have a website, you need a reach of the website. You get many more visits to your website. We use website traffic to attract more visitors to your website. local store visits. So in this, if you have a website, you have a store physically in a location and you want people to come out to the stores, then we use this local store visits to drive foot traffic to the physical stores. And yes, we'll be adding more into the next video. Thank you.